Okay. Whoo! Jesus! Okay, we can do this, 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 we can do this. Oh my God. Yo, I need a countdown. Okay, what up y'all, it's your homeboy Justin, and this is the video where I I'm just changing my hair. My hair has been in 2-strand twists for a minute. With the semester being over and me wanting to do something different, I think I'm going to go to a barbershop tomorrow and get someone to cut my hair. I was gonna, whatchamacallit? What's the word? I was gonna comb them out. Let's be real. Ain't nobody got time for that. Ain't nobody, not they mama, they grandmother, they sister, or they brother got time for all of this. I'm just combining my locks. I'm just separating them out so I can see where the hair is kind of actually, because you know, like locks, when you combine them, there's a part, like these have just been kind of twisted from like a certain length down, and then there's the actual part where the lock is actually locked together. So I'm gonna cut the locks at that part, try and deep condition. I'm gonna wash my hair and condition it so I can kind of pick out through the hair that's locked together. Because I want to do kind of like how Kevin Alusala's hair from Pentatonics, kind of how his hair looks. Something to that effect. It's a lot of length. Look, just look at this. Just look at this. Like, first of all, hair is past my nipples. It's like halfway to my belly button, like between that. Like it's, do you see this? Do you see this? Like, isn't this insane? It's long hair. Some gorgeous locks, you know. But I think I'm good. I'm good on the journey. I've learned a lot. People say that, what have I learned? I've learned about patience through those first 2 years, letting time do what it needs to do and letting things take its course. And not rushing things. Hair maintenance, I've learned a lot about oils and what they can do for your hair. All the good things, how high protein diet, zinc, iron are good for hair growth. Flaxseed gel is a good moisturizer and natural way to keep your hair looking nice and shiny and healthy. So I've learned lots of good things and remedies for hair and also my skin as I've gone through this lock journey. So it's been good, it's been educational. It's been interesting becoming a part of this community and having dialogue with you all in the comment section and with different YouTubers like Seb Atreyu and like Slanton before he cut off his locks and whatnot, and having those having that communication and those interactions with people, and you as well, the subscribers and the people who view these videos, and we're able to have discussions in the comment sections about things. It's been fun. Is that all of it? Is that the last of the Mohicans? It is. It's just interesting. Like just this length, looking like, I don't know, a damn lion. This, you know what this curly hair reminds me of? Beyonce, back when she had that blonde curly afro for like, I think she had the blonde, what's that song? End of Time performance for Good Morning America in Central Park. That's what this hair reminds me of, this texture. Y'all, today is the day. It's January 2nd. I am going to cut my locks off. Okay, like I'm at this point right now and I feel anxious. Ooh, oh my goodness. I thought I was ready for this. I thought I really was. And now we're here. I'm kind of like 5.5, almost 6 years of my life I've had these. I'm ready to cut it off. I am ready. I'm just very nervous because once I cut the first one off, that's it. Oh my gosh, I'm nervous. I'm just gonna do one. Oh my gosh, this is so terrifying to a degree, y'all. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Let me just cut off a little bit of the bottom to make sure these scissors cut. Yep, these scissors cut. Ah! You know what? Hold on. We're gonna drink some water. Some ASMR water drinking right there. How am I gonna look without hair? Oh my God. How am I gonna look without hair? We grew them once, we can grow them back. This must be what it feels like when people say getting cold feet, because ooh, I want to do this so badly, but I'm just so scared. Oh, shiitake, oh my God. Y'all, oh my goodness. Okay. Damn it. Oh, damn it. Oh, damn. Ooh, I feel like Florida. Oh my goodness, we can do this. We can do this. We'll be all right. I say that and I don't believe it quite yet. Okay. Ooh, Jesus. Okay, we can do this. Oh my god. Y'all, I need a countdown. Damn it, why? Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay, that wasn't as bad as I thought it was gonna be. That was not as bad as I thought it was gonna be. Oh my goodness. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Oh, my loose natural hair. Y'all, this is happening. I know I want to start the new year in a new way, and something that was a little bit more than just, you know, oh, that just feels so nice. Oh, that feels so nice to just pull through my hair. Oh, it's so long. I like that length. What am I thinking right now? What's going through my head right now? I feel liberated in more ways than I thought I would. This is scary and a little bit shocking. We're just gonna keep on cutting. Oh my god. Oh my goodness. We're just gonna cut up as much as we can. I can't believe I'm doing this, but at the same time, this is something that I wanted to do. I don't feel sad. About this. I don't feel like I'm losing anything. I feel like if anything, I'm maybe gaining something in this process. I kind of want to find out who I am about the whole Locs persona. And I think cutting my hair off may be the reset that I need. Yes, loose natural hair. Ooh, you are so pretty. Oh, I haven't seen you in forever. Oh my gosh. Ooh, I can just rub my hand through it. Ooh! That is a feeling I have not felt in 6 years, y'all. Oh my goodness, this is amazing. Ooh. It's so interesting how I initially started my locks and I waited a whole year before I started locking to make sure I was ready. Yep. This is exactly what I want to do with my life. Oh, this loose hair. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my goodness. Oh, I haven't seen you in so long. Oh my gosh, I don't know why I'm having a moment about this hair. I didn't realize how much I was going to love this, and now I'm here. Oh my gosh. Talk about a liberation. No, it's interesting that I started my locks initially because I wanted something that was different, something that was going to make me kind of test myself as a person, as a black man, with the society, how it operates, how the world sees us, how the world treats us because of how we look. There's a weirdness going on inside me right now. Like, I can feel parts of my chest right now is kind of beating fast. I also am kind of, I don't know, there's like a relief, there's like a weight kind of being lifted. I don't know if it's the energy of my hair and like all the journeys that I've taken with this hair over the last minute of my life being let go. That could be it too. All I do know is that this is a scary, wonderful thing that's going on right now. I cannot wait to wash this and pick it out. Oh my Lord Jesus. Yes, I cannot wait. That's the only thing I feel right now, excitement. I don't feel like, although I probably will wake up tomorrow and be like, oh my God, what did I do? And it's like, Justin, you know what you did. For those who think this was a spur of the moment decision, this was not a spur of the moment decision. This is something I've been thinking about for about a few months now. I wonder what people will think when they see me with this hair. That's the real That's the real thing. Oh my gosh! Y'all, I'm really doing this. And I'm so excited about it too. Because now, when I wake up in the morning, I'm not gonna have to do a ponytail or nothing, Jesus. I'm just gonna be able to get up and go. Ooh, what will I miss about my locks? I will miss the length, obviously. Like doing the whole, you know, hair flips and everything. That was fun. That was fun and cute for when I could do it, but now, you know, now we don't have to do about that. I will also say I need to get new hats because, well, maybe with the hair that I'll have, I can still wear a size 8, but I feel like I'm gonna have to go back to the 7 and 5/8 or 7.5. I'm not sure what my hat size was before locks. BL or before Crown BC. Huh? Everyone is gonna be like, why'd you cut your hair? What happened? You just want something different? I'm like, yes, all of that. I want something different. I have lived through it and I think I'm done with the journey. I just want to grow my hair out in its loose form and see where that goes. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes you be doing stuff and you get into a routine and sometimes you want some variety. And that's not to say that locks aren't versatile because I had many a great look with my locks. But I am saying that I want, in terms of the texture of my hair, I want to see what things I can do with my hair in its natural but loose state instead of locked. And now when I work out, ooh, it's gonna be so easy. Oh my gosh, people at the gym are gonna freak out tomorrow. They're gonna be like, Justin, why'd you? I'm like, Justin is a new person. Justin took his hair and he changed it up. He changed it up for the new year is what he did. This is so ridiculous. Oh my gosh, good gosh. Just wow, honestly, is how I feel right now. So this is what my hair looks like now. Yeah, this is what we have. So all this hair is gone. Yeah, so this hair is gone. Washed it, conditioned. I can run my hands through my hair, my fingers through my hair. It feels great. It is coily and fun. It's so interesting having my like loose natural texture back on my head. It feels a little bit lighter. I'm gonna have to get some smaller hats because I don't know how my hair is gonna be. But I'm gonna go to the barber tomorrow so we can figure out something. And I just left this hair so there's room to play. This is it, y'all. This is the final product. First of all, can we just shout out to Jake Rodriguez at All City Barbershop on the north side of Wichita? Cause y'all, look at this cut though. And this highlight, all right. But this cut though. Y'all, it's definitely, hold on, give it a full 360 on this. Y'all, this is exactly what I wanted, low-key. Like, this was why I was growing out my beard. I was, you know, trying to get the mustache in, you know. I was trying a whole menagerie of different things. I have been considering this for a few months now. This decision was not a spur of the moment thing. What I realized is that in order to prepare for this change, I was noticing that I was starting to visualize myself without my locks. And so when I look at myself in the mirror, I would be looking at myself, but I would be looking at myself without my locks. And then it got to a point where I would see my locks in the mirror, but I would not like them on me. After 5.5 years of locks, growing my hair out for about 6 years and a few months, I want to feel like my hair makes sense with who I am as a person. And not to say that the locks did not make sense. I think they made sense for who I was during that time of my life. Last, I think it was 2 months ago, I had this revelation about how I'm wanting myself to be perceived and how I'm interacting with people in different environments and different settings, and how I am either contributing to this perception that I have of myself or the perception that people have of me, or how I am negating that and pushing back against it. I just want something a little bit more grown and a little bit more mature, I would say. You know, 28 now.
I feel like I should be, I mean, I still look like I'm 23 though, you know, that black don't crack, child. We still looking young in this piece. But I just want something that was a little bit more on the, you know, grown and sexy level. You know what I'm saying? I think just the way they were, it just was not gelling. You with me? We're just gonna do something a little bit different. So this is the final cut. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think. Do you like it? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Let me know, and I wanna know why. Give me specific reasons, okay? Elaborate, okay? Use your words, y'all, use your words. I'm not sure what the future of this YouTube channel is in terms of, you know, being at Just Unloc'd. It may become something different, like it might just be my name, like Justin, or Justin Noel Hall, I don't know. In the School of Music, they really press you to have an artist webpage because you're musicians, and so it makes sense. And so, kind of want to align with that more so, with my musician self, and not the Just Unloc'd self, so. I look good, damn it! Yo, I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry. I can't. You can't even tell me that this don't look good. It don't matter what you think either way, because only what matters what I think. But at the same time, I dare you to tell me that this don't look good. I double dog dare you. In fact, I double triple dog dare you. Say something about it. Say something bad about my hair. But yeah, that's the video, y'all. I'm gonna leave it at that. Thank you to everyone who supported me during the LOC journey during those 5.5 years. All the words of encouragement, through the ups and the downs, through that first 2-year stage, through that weird second stage, through like the middle of my 3rd year into my 4th year. That was kind of weird. Thank you for helping me with that. Shout outs to everyone who has followed this journey and has used my channel and other people's LOC channels as inspiration and a means to keep motivated during your respective LOC journeys. I'm just thankful that I've been able to go on this journey and learn things about my hair and how to take care of it better, because I didn't know how to take care of it before LOCs, and now I know how to. And now I'm just gonna see where this natural loose hair journey takes me now. All that being said, if you like this video, even though you may not like the results of it, give it a like. If you have any questions or comments, again, let me know. You like it, hate it, love it, whatever. Just let me know, okay? Leave me a comment in the comment section below. Don't forget to follow me on my social media. My handles might be changing. I'm not sure, but we will see. It might be changing. Yeah. But I think for now, we'll just leave it as Just Unloc'd. But you'll get information. I'll let you know. I will let y'all know. When I know, you will know, okay? And then, of course, subscribe. I'm not sure what the future content of this channel will be. I don't know how to cut my hair into this kind of situation, although I wish I did. Maybe I should go to barber school. Maybe that could be the next thing. I don't know. But just subscribe anyway. All the content that I have on this channel thus far is still valid. It is still relevant. You need a coffee scrub, you need some body shea butter, you need tips about doing your eyebrows or filling it. Actually, I haven't done a beard video, but I might do something about, you know, just a little bit of beard enhancement. That's something you guys can do at home. It's a simple trick, it really is. There'll be some stuff coming in the future, just not sure what time. It'll be hair related, it may be also more music related. Just chill with me, rock with me. I hope you subscribe, I hope you click the bell notification. That's the video, that's it. Oh yeah. If you like this, if you want to watch more videos, the last one is up there. There's also a video of more LOC hair videos related. I don't know how I'm gonna finish this now. And there's subscribe icons right there. What am I saying now? I don't know what I'm gonna say now. Cause peace and keep it locked. I mean, it's not locked anymore, so what is it? Let me know, okay? Sound off in the comments below. I'll see y'all later, all right? Peace, bye, and keep it, I don't know what, keep it something. Keep it something.